The link, what has come, you are checking that link. No need to that link. If you have already, before that, have you seen my videos in the YouTube? After logging in the YouTube? Or first time you're trying?
No, I saw before. I saw.
First time.
No, sir.
Before you have seen the videos.
Before I saw.
So if you remember, you used to go to the YouTube, then you are switching the channel. In the YouTube profile button, there will be option called switch channel, switch account. After clicking on switch account, that my channel will come. If you click on that, go there, select the playlist, and after that, watch the video. All videos are there only. Okay, yesterday, last week, all missing video I uploaded yesterday, but all are private. Directly you cannot see. Other person cannot see. You have to log in through your Gmail. First, you have to log in the laptop. Open the laptop. Open the Gmail. Log in the Gmail using those email ID that you have given me. After logging the Gmail, go to the YouTube. Then click on profile right hand side. There will be option called change account. In change account, there will be called CRM Software Academy. If you click on that, my channel will open. After that, you can click on playlist and select your playlist, 2 p.m. playlist, and then in that all videos will be there. That way I need to follow. What we need to follow? First, login in Gmail. Gmail. Second step, go to YouTube. Third step, click on your profile. On your profile in the top right corner. In top right, CORNER, top right corner. After that, click on change account. Next, after that, select SIYA, select SIYARAM, SOFTACATEMOI. Next, after that, click on playlist. After that, click on 2 p.m. May playlist. May 2 p.m. It should be May 2 p.m. May 2 p.m. playlist. 2 p.m. playlist. And after that, next, keep watching video. So this you need to follow. Okay. And note in laptop or desktop. So you can take the photo of this and then you follow this. Definitely it will help you to get your playlist. Okay, written. I will share you this all in your chat. If you have not written, you can follow this. Definitely you will be able to watch the video. But you should enter those Gmail that you have given us to add the permission. I have set the content in the chat. Come to the array file, write a comment here. Inside this array, Okay, first understanding is required. Why we are going to use the array? Suppose we have a variable. We have one value, mango. We have one more value, banana. We have one more value, orange. We have one more value, milk. So suppose you have four values, you have created four variables. Assume you have four values, then you created the four variable and store the value. Like this, suppose if you have 1000 variable, what we will do? If you have 1000 variable, what we can do? We have to create 1000 variables. Will be almost impossible. Impossible. No? We will forget what was my variable name. If you create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, you will forget what is under the A99. Will not remember it. Suppose you have 100 users. 100 users you have. 100 users. Name you have Ganesh Mahesh. Now you want to store that 100 users inside the program. You will create the 100 variable. A for Ganesh, B for Bunty, C for something, D for something. Now what will happen? We can remember up to some level. Yes, particular person is available under the particular variable. Now if suppose there is a 1000 variable, 1000 users, what will happen? Confusion will happen or not? We will not remember what is my username. So for example, let me give you one live example. Suppose this is the website. In this website, now for testing purpose here, how many doctors are showing? 2000 this many. Okay, for testing purpose, we have added here some doctors. Let me go here. You can see so many doctors are there, right? All doctors have the slots available. We can go to the page number 2, page number 3, anywhere. Right? It says here, see how many? 1400, 0 and 7. Right? 1407 doctors are. Now this 1400 user, assume like doctor details. It is coming from database. It is stored in database. From there it is coming. Okay. When it's coming from database, when it was in database, assume like it was stored one place. Somehow it was stored. Now from database, when it come to the program, in program for 1407 users, how many variable we need to create? 14,007 variable we have to create. Then only we can store one doctor details one place, another doctor details one place. Now here difficulties will happen. Suppose one more a doctor will get registered, one more variable we have to create. Impossible almost. So in that case, see here. You can see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slots are there. Here how many it is showing? It's showing as a 10. It is showing length of the array 10. Some place there will be 20, some place will be 30. So it will display how much? Depend how much we have. Okay. Maybe suppose one will get deleted from here. Only 9 will come. That meaning one variable got deleted. If 2 will get removed from here or booked, then what will happen? 2 more will get reduced. So number of variable will get reduced. So how to do through the programming? Okay. So to avoid this all, there is one solution. That solution is called this line. File name. What is our file name? Array. Solution of all is only one, that is called as array. You don't have to worry whether from database one record is going to come or 1000 record is going to come. No matter whether 1 or 1000, let it be. One variable will be in such a way that can hold all. Only one variable will hold all. Then you will ask what will be the size of the variable? Unlimited till the memory space in your system. Suppose in your system there is a 10 GB space available. One variable can hold the data up to 10 GB. No problem. Okay. That is the capacity of which one? JavaScript. In JavaScript, variable limit is not there. So now next is like when data is going to come from the somewhere else or maybe from inside or outside. The difficulties was we were not able to maintain the data properly. So the concept came as a array. Array is like you don't have to worry. If user will purchase one item, he will select one item, then one item will go to the cart. If user will select three item will go to the cart. If user will select 10 item, 10 item will go to the cart, right? Depend on the user choice. How many user will do add to cart, that many item will display on the cart, right? So cart also becomes a dynamic. Now we'll go to the cart. Flipkart, you have no Flipkart. Once you go to the cart item, you will have option delete. Once you delete from there, one will get minus. You can add one more, one will get increase, right? So on the entire web technology, whether any technology for the Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, PHP, okay, Java, MongoDB, anything, okay. Without array, this programming language will become boneless programming. Boneless program, boneless. Boneless means what? Feature is there, but stability is not there. Okay. Okay. Any programming language, if you cut out the array from there, it will say, sorry, yaar, I cannot extend properly. Why? Because it was standing based on what? Array only. Go to anywhere I'm talking, any website you open. Gmail, when you send the email, sometime you will send to one person, sometime you will send to multiple person. In CCC also we can add multiple. In BCC also we can add multiple. Those is the concept of array only. Okay. From Flipkart, when you buy the product, add to cart, that is the concept of array only. In the Facebook, when you go, right, you will see that in the left right hand side, so many people will be logging. That is the array itself. Correct. When the message will come from the back end, sometime you will see one message on the top, sometime you will see 10 messages on the top. That is called which one? Array only. Okay, everywhere, every place you will find the array. Everywhere you will find the array. Array is important. Every stage. Hello. Yeah. Tell me. It was done yeah, long back. 3 days before it was done. Yeah, 3 days before we have made it. Might be the holiday was there, no? Sunday. Yeah, you may get it today, okay? Number one, your voice is not clear. Number two, I am in between something. I cannot talk more, but it was done 3 days before on Saturday itself. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go ahead. Come down now. So array is compulsory. Everywhere array is compulsory. Okay. How array looks? Let's create one example here first. You will have a variable, assume call item equal to you will keep the first element, you will keep the second element, you will keep the third element, you will keep the fourth element, keep all the elements. Okay, hope ready. Now come down. Right inside. You can see here the first A is holding how many value? 1. B is also 1. C is also 1. D also 1. But when you look for the item is holding at a time 4 values. Item is holding at a time 4 values. Okay. Now, if one variable is holding 4 values, right, then what will happen? Confusion will happen. Where is the mango? Where is the banana? Because in one bag, if you put 4 items, we have to mix, we have to find, no, where are you? So in that case, system will say, don't worry, we have memory management skill. So when we store your data inside the memory, we will keep the address also, which item is available on which location. So now, what is that memory management? That is the internal work. But for a developer point of view, how your data is stored in one variable, you can access position wise. The first value, what you have, it will be available on 0 position, means the starting position. Second will be under the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. Now, what are the terms people use for the array purpose? People use the terms like this. Array name, inside that index position, after that elements, array name, index position, and after that element. Array name, index position, element. Array name, index position, element. Okay. Now come down. Suppose if I want to print the, so what is the array name? The array name is item. Position start from 0. What will be the first value? For the mango. Second value 1 banana. Third value 2 orange. Fourth value, third position, milk. This is the arrangement of the mangoes. Ready? Now, what are the keywords we use inside the array? The first keyword we use called as a index. Index is nothing but index represent the position. Index represent the position. Where is your value? Position of, not position, you can say location. Location of element. Next word is called as element. What element represent the value of the value of the value symbol. Element nothing but value. So mango is what? A element. In the term of programming, you can say is element, but what we can say is a value. For us is a value, but for system is a element. For technical people is called as a element, right? And what the normal people is called as a value. So we can say orange is a value, mango is a value. But when we saw technically, we'll say 1 is the position, mango is the element. Element and index, element and index, element and index. Come down below, you have to print now. How to print that? First, print the length of array. Console.log item.length. It is a length. 4 or 3. Yes. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Experience you can't get, you will get internship later. Come again. Come, you said something. Tell me again. No. Internship later you will get. Yes. That I cannot say anything. If you come to institute, I can write it. You are in Bangalore or outside? You can come to our institute tomorrow or today. We'll guide you. You can come here. We'll advise you what to do. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead then. Hope ready? What is the length? Hmm? It is outside. Console.log is outside, no? This line should be outside. Then only you'll find the length. Else it will say undefined. Okay, let me open the CMD as well. And I will run my page. Node space. Node space. Array 1. It says total how many? 4. Means 4 values are inside the array. Write a question. Console.log item of 0. How to get first element of array. How to get first element of the array. How to get first element of array. It will give you the mango. Right below how to take the last element of the array. Okay, that is called item of item dot length -1. Item of item dot length -1. So length is as of now how many? 4 are there. 4 minus 3 if you say it will give the milk. Because the starting is from where? 0. Starting is from 0. So last will be length -1 position. Okay, getting the length minus 1 position, the last value. The length minus 1 will give the correct mango and milk. Yeah, milk will come. Now write below how to print all element. How to print all elements. How to print all elements of array. How to print all elements of array. That is called this if for loop variable I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I plus plus. I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I plus plus. Console dot log item of I. Item of I. Console dot log item of I. So I is pointing to the first value. Next, I will become 1. It will point to the second value. Next, I will become 2. It will point to the next value. I will become 2. 3. It will become last value. Once after that, value will get end. Loop will get terminate. Okay, so we can go here and check once. All the values are printed. Position also we can print here. Happening. Okay, come now. Let's print the element in reverse order. How to print the array element in reverse order. Reverse order. Or where I equal to item dot length minus 1. I equal to item dot length minus 1. I less than equal to 1. I greater than equal to 0, I plus plus. Console.log I item of I. Printing all the value. It will have one error. Ask what is the error? What is the value of I? It should be minus minus. It could be under the infinite loop. It should be minus minus. Huh?
Greater than equal to 0.
I have missed here. Yes. I greater than equal to 0. I greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. Now it will print. What is the position of milk? 3. It's coming in reverse order. Previous it was 0 to 3. Now it is 3 to 0. Zero to 3, 3 to 0. Okay, next after that, create a variable city. Create a variable called city equal to Bangalore. City equal to Bangalore. Now write a for loop and print each character in the new line. Same like array. Now city becomes an array. City becomes an array. Exact same like how you are written for the item. Write the same way. It will give you each character in the new line. It will give you each character in new line. Write a for loop for city. Print city of I. It will print you each character in the new line. Try printing city of I. It should print each character in the new line. You will write city.length. There you are written item.length. Now you will write the city.length. Bangalore, each character you should be able to print in the new line. Same like city you tried. Same like city you tried. Not city, same like item. Where I equal to I equal to 0. I less than city dot length. I plus print city of I. The first for loop we have written. We have written the first for loop. This one I have written, no? This one. Where is that? This one. Same way. Complete same way. Same way. Printing all the characters in the new line. So what will happen is, it will show you each character in the new line. So here, what we try to understand is, city is holding the data in the form of array. In JavaScript, it is for a string array. A string array, yes. Suppose you have a sentence, hello, how are you? That is also an array only of strings. Array of strings. Their character will be as elements. So here, Bangalore is a string where Bangalore. These all are called as elements. I equal to 0, I less than city dot length. Plus city of I. It will give me each character in a new line. All character will come in the new line. Now we'll leave this file, come to the next file. Array2.js. a variable item equal to square bracket. Now come inside. This will be a multi-dimensional array. It's called array of object. Multiple objects we are going to keep together. It will be called as an array. So first, before writing this, suppose if I go here and create another variable, item info equal to item info equal to name apple, price 300, QTY 10, okay. Next, if you want to print the price is 300. If you want to print 300, what we have to do? If you want to print 300, what we have to do? 300 is a value, price is the key. You can say it is called key value, key value, key value. Or you can say property value, property value, property value. Okay. So name is the property, apple is the value. Price is the property, 300 is the value. QTY is the property, 10 is the value. Coming down, console.log, item info dot price. Item info dot price. It will give you the 300. Coming. Come down. Item info dot name. Item info dot QTY. Name, price, quantity. Next, if you run it, now this is directory.
So remove one item.
Double M I have given. Right. Now we will be creating the multiple objects. Like how you have created here one. Let's go keep here, comma, keep one more, one more, one more, one more, one more. change some price wise. Okay, then now console.log. Write a for loop again. Variable I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I plus plus. I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I plus plus. Next, after that, inside the item, how many details? Multiple elements are there. Each element have their own property value. We have to go here, console.log. Inside the item array, on a particular position, there will a name. It is not talking about the direct name. If you see upper one, we have written here directly item info.name, because inside this only one was there. But now how many we have? Under the same item variable, there is a multiple. So the first one will be available on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So because of that, we are saying item of I. So what is I? 0. So who will come first? Apple details will come. Getting the value of all the elements. All product details will come in new line. Name, price, quantity, name, price, quantity of all the products. So this becomes a multiple array, multiple objects together. So you can say array of objects. Okay, so the first flower bracket you can call as object. It has property value, property value, property value. Now we need to create another array that should look similar, but it should be multi-level of array, array inside array, nested array. Create next file array3.js. Three.js. Create a variable called item. Now keep name, keep as a category. Category. Now category keep college books. Inside keep product as array. Single array. laptop, desktop, mobile. These all are the name of category. Now under each category there will be products. Under each category there will be products. So first follow the category label. Now product will be as a array. Okay, so arrange the data properly. Now first we can print all the category. Or are I equal to 0, I less than item dot length I equal to 0, I less than item dot length, I plus plus, come down, console dot log, item of I dot category, item of I dot category. It will print you all the category name. Item of I dot category. It will print all the category name. Check now. All the category name is coming. Book, mouse, laptop, desktop, mobile. Only category name will give you. Next, we have to print all the product also. So you can write here item of I dot product. Item of I. Next for loop we have to print for j equal to 0, j less than item of I dot product dot length j plus plus. Where j equal to 0, j less than item of I dot product dot length. Okay, j plus plus. So the first loop is running for the main loop, main array. Second loop is going to run for this product. Now console.log item of I of product dot j. Item of I dot product of j. Item of I of product of j. J is pointing to the product name. J is going to point to the each product. Second level array. Item of I of product of j. Okay, not ready. Check now. All the products should come. Category and product both will come. First category name below all the products name. First category, product, one. Okay, so we are printing all the product and categories. First is the category, second is the product. Becomes a nested loop, loop inside loop, based on only for loop. We have not used the map function. We have not used the for each function. So map and for each will be tomorrow task. Using that, we can see how we can read the data. In that, we don't have to follow or replace I and j and all. That one line of code will help you to do all. I and j will not come into the map and for each. It is a function where we pass the array and it will print one by one. That is simple than this. Okay. Okay, we will log in again tomorrow. 2 o'clock will be the plan. We'll see you 2 o'clock tomorrow again. To somewhere. Right, so hope should work for all. No error. Okay. Then.